Blackhead removal transformation before/after deep pore cleansing. The visible impact of pore congestion. Clogged pores can dramatically change the way skin looks and feels. When excess oil mixes with dead skin cells and daily impurities, it settles deep inside pores, especially around the nose and T-zone. Over time, this buildup oxidizes and turns dark, forming stubborn blackheads. In the before stage, skin often appears rough, uneven, and dull due to heavy congestion. Why deep pore cleansing matters. Surface cleansing alone cannot remove hardened debris trapped inside pores. Deep pore cleansing targets buildup beneath the skin's surface. This process involves careful preparation, softening the pores, and using techniques that safely release trapped oil. Proper deep cleansing not only improves appearance but also supports healthier skin renewal. Preparing the skin for transformation. A successful transformation always starts with preparation. The skin is gently cleansed to remove surface dirt, followed by light steam to soften pore openings. This step reduces the need for aggressive pressure during extraction. Well-prepared skin allows impurities to loosen naturally, minimizing irritation. The extraction phase, controlled and precise. During the extraction stage, controlled pressure is applied using a sterile tool. Instead of forceful squeezing, the focus is on precision and minimal trauma. As blackheads are released, pores instantly appear clearer. This stage often delivers the most dramatic before and after difference, revealing smoother texture beneath the congestion. Calming and refining the skin. After extractions, calming treatments are essential. A soothing mask or serum helps reduce temporary redness and tightens the appearance of pores. This step restores balance and prevents post-treatment irritation. As inflammation subsides, the skin begins to look brighter and more even. The after, a clearer, smoother finish. The final result of deep pore cleansing is visibly refined skin. In the after stage, pores look cleaner and less noticeable. The texture feels smoother, and the complexion appears fresher. While maintenance is necessary to keep pores clear, this transformation highlights how proper technique can dramatically improve skin clarity. Final thoughts. Blackhead removal transformation is not about harsh squeezing or quick fixes. It's about patience, preparation, and precision. Deep pore cleansing, when done correctly, reveals the healthier skin hidden beneath congestion. With consistent care and proper routine, clear and refined pores can become a long-term result, not just a temporary transformation.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.